Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. How are you all? Hopefully all are fine. This is today's recipe. It's totally yummy. Let's start. What is this and how I cook this? I take one apple, one orange, and I use 4 tablespoon organic brown sugar. I extract the juice of one orange, 4 mint leaf, half teaspoon garlic, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon red chili, quarter teaspoon garam masala. I mix 1 tablespoon of vinegar in this brown sugar. I am using only 1 tablespoon of vinegar because I am already using orange extract in this. Now add all these spices and garlic in this brown sugar and mix well. You can use paste of garlic and at this stage I add 1 tablespoon of water in this. Okay, take another bowl, add 3 tablespoon water in this. Put this bowl on low flame and add the all pieces of apple in this. Cook for 2 minutes. When apple starts leaving its juice in this and it's on boiling point like this one. Okay, see this mixture is getting thick. Now at this stage I add orange juice in this. Yes, again mix well and cook it for 3 minutes. Then actually we are making jam of apple and orange. This is very appetizing, very tasty. Okay, well now check apple are cooked or not. At this stage mixture is getting very thick. Now I will add all the sugar mixture in this. Again cook for 3 to 4 minutes and all the water in this will evaporate. When all the water evaporated and it become very thick, this dish will be ready and you can store in this airtight jar. You can serve this jam with the bread or with the chapati also, with your rice also. It's very tasty and this is about to done. It's getting very thick. Look here, it's hard to move the spoon in it. It's almost ready to serve. Serve this when it is on normal temperature. Okay, try this. It's totally yummy, totally tasty. Also like the video, subscribe the channel, hit the like button. Thank you.